Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from WooCommerce payments via Stripe payout settings, full guide step by. To withdraw from WooCommerce payments via Stripe payout settings, start by logging into your WooCommerce account. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce dashboard. From the dashboard, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Payments tab. Find the Stripe payment option and click on Manage. In the Stripe settings, you'll see your payout options. Ensure your bank account is set up correctly for payouts. If it's not linked, you will need to add your bank account details. After entering your bank information, save the changes. Next, head over to your Stripe dashboard. Log in using your Stripe account credentials. Once logged in, find the Payouts section on the left sidebar. Review your available balance to confirm funds are ready for withdrawal. If you're ready to withdraw, click on the Payouts tab. Select the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it matches your available balance. Confirm the payout details and submit the withdrawal request. Stripe will process the payout, which may take a few business days. You'll receive an email notification once the payout is initiated. Check your bank account for the transferred funds after the processing period. For any issues, refer to the Help section in your Stripe dashboard. You can also contact Stripe support for further assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.